RBI. And he does it again. This is a clutch 2-out hit. Maybe a changeup that is up and now over the plate. He's able to get the bat head out and hook this ball into the outfield. No chance to get Miller. He got a great 2-out jump at second base. And the Guardians have put up 3 more runs. They countered the Blue Jays 1 run on top of this inning.
Oscar Mercado getting his first action today.
Injured players or injuries and how it affects a team.
Especially in the absence of Teoscar Hernandez, where you know the Blue Jays get better when he's around.
Yeah, and he hasn't even he doesn't even give the injury updates and reports anymore, does he? He gets so tired of it.
He punted on it. Somebody else is going to do this lift for me.
Crack through the hole on the right side of base hit. Rounding third. Here comes Miller. There will be no throw. Andres Gimenez with an RBI single. Cleveland's in front 3-1.